Hello,
Hey, hi. Hi,
good
Anubhav.
evening.
Good evening. So, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm good, actually.
Great.
Yeah. So, you are at home, so it's working from home?
No, Ashish, I am looking for a job right now.
Okay. So, you are like when you passed out from college?
2020.
2020.
Huh.
Okay. So, after that, you joined somewhere, or is it the first time you're looking?
No. Last year I joined startup based in Bangalore based startup, but due to health issues, I have to resign from that job.
Okay. Fine. No issues. So, when you joined Scalar?
Last year,
So, what are the modules completed?
Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, DBMS, and DSC.
Okay, DSC is also completed.
Yes,
Okay, nice. So, system design is pending, right?
yes.
So, okay, you started giving interviews or is just for practice?
Just for practice.
Okay, fine. So there is no interview scheduled, right?
Right.
Okay, fine.
So it has been a very long time that I haven't give any interview. That's why I arranged this mock interview to have some confidence and to get the reality check.
Okay, yeah, nice. So usually means there are two chances. Either people schedule interview and before that they schedule it, or there are chances mostly people have seen when it comes to expiring, people just utilize it.
Yes,
Okay, fine, no problem. So, okay, we'll start with the JavaScript part. Okay, so
sure.
you want to just focus on JavaScript or DSA also?
No, right now I am focusing on JavaScript only. My DSA parts needs a revision, so I am
Okay,
not.
okay, okay, fine. So, yeah, it's a JavaScript, right? There are coming to the variable declaration basic side. There are two data types, var and let. So, what is the major difference between them?
Okay. Prior to ES6, uh, where was used, uh, where was used, but after ES6, in the ES6 version, latent const were declared because where provide only the global scope and whereas latent const provide the block scope.
Okay. And in any other scenario where we use only var or let.
Where variables can be hoisted and net or cost variables cannot be hoisted.
So what is the hosting?
Uh, Hoisting is that like how we declare a variable where a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Before declaration we can assign a value, uh, and what behind the scenes what happens, uh, JavaScript environment internally moves up the declaration. Although we have written the declaration after the assignment, but internally JavaScript environment moves up the declaration part that is called hoisting.
Okay, fine. So in JavaScript, right, there's something called function prototypes. What is that?
Huh. Uh, Prototype is an object where we can define properties or anything functions, and we can get like array callback functions like Java, some find index, All these methods are defined in prototype of array.
Okay. And what
And
about prom-
prototype also provides the major concept, that is prototypical inheritance.
okay. And what about promises?
Okay. Promises holds the result of asynchronous code. Depending upon the whether the promise is resolved or rejected, we get the result. There are two states of promise. Uh, One is pending and another is settled. While the promise is settling, then it means it is in a settled, it is in a pending state. And when it becomes settled, then it is in a settled state. In a settled state, we have to either we have resolved state, or we have a rejected state. If we got an internal error or some kind of error, then we can say that our promise got rejected. Otherwise we can say that otherwise we will can say that our promise has been resolved, successfully resolved.
Okay, fine. So yeah, okay, that is done. Promises is fine. And okay, any idea about like closers?
Huh. Closure preserves the lexical scope of outer function in the inner functions. Although when we come out of the outer function, generally what happens if we define the variable in a function that dies after the function call. But with the help of closure, we can preserve the lexical scope of outer function.
Okay, okay. Just don't, means try to make it means normal. Okay, means don't be so means right fast to explain. Okay, just kind of feedback I'm saying. Be go in a slow way, so it will just help you to understand means for as an interviewer also. So just
Sure.
for a real time interview, I'm just
Actually, I was very nervous, Ashish.
okay, 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 no problem. It's not a kind of right. There's no I'm judging for a job and also it's just for your help. Okay.
Thanks.
What are function callbacks?
Huh. Uh, Function callbacks are the special functions which are passed as an argument to another function.
Okay. So only this JavaScript or any idea about right React or Angular.
Uh, I have worked in React, not in Angular.
Okay, okay, fine. So in JavaScript again, right? If I'll talk about uh, higher order functions, any idea?
Huh. Uh, Higher order functions are the array callback functions. Uh, uh, Mainly, we have eight or nine array callback functions, which are find, sum, filter, map, reduce, every, find index, and
Hmm.
flat map.
Okay. What about passing by value and passing by reference? What's the difference?
Not in Angular.
Okay, okay, fine. So in JavaScript again, right? If I'll talk about uh, Higher order functions. Any idea?
Huh. Uh, Higher order functions are the array callback functions. Uh, uh, Mainly, we have eight or nine array callback functions, which are find, sum, filter, map, reduce, every, find index, and
Hmm.
flat map.
Okay. What about passing by value and passing by reference? What's the difference?
Uh, okay. When we pass a value, by value means we are just giving a copy. We are just making a copy of that. But in what happens in pass by reference, we are creating a alias name of that of the original copy. Suppose my original name is Anubhav. So then suppose I do pass by reference. Const my nickname is equal to Anubhav. So uh, here in pass by reference, the memory where the memory address of the variable will be stored. So the other variable will any changes reflected from the another variable will also be reflected to the original variable.
Okay, okay. Yeah, again, I think you're feeling nervous. Means what happened?
Actually, Ashish, I am my communication skills are allergies. So I particle in whenever I am unable to
For that, right? If you are means just ignoring
depress. That's the reason. Uh,
understood. Okay. So, any questions from your side? Like you need any help in any suggestion?
uh, Ashish, can you tell me, should I work on TypeScript for the current industry requirement?
For which requirement?
TypeScript.
No, no. For what? TypeScript means for Angular.
No, no. Try. Actually, I have seen many job descriptions. They generally ask TypeScript, but I do know JavaScript, but even don't know the ABC of TypeScript. So I should learn TypeScript or JavaScript is sufficient.
I think knowledge of TypeScript is good. It's easy also. You can learn easily.
Okay. Okay. And what about Nest and Next?
Next.js means you can learn no, means one stack that will include everything.
All right. All right. No, along with Marn, should I learn Nest for backend and Next for front end?
Yeah, you can learn, but I would suggest focus more on DSA. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay,
those things you can learn after joining also.
okay. Marn is sufficient, then I should focus on DSA.
Yes, yes.
Thanks, thanks.
Just a minute. Actually, I have stand-up call. So is it okay? Means can we drop? Because JavaScript side, I think basics are okay. Whatever it was there, I have checked. So if
Huh.
you have anything, you can ask. Otherwise, I have stand-up call. I need to.